Hello student, good morning. In this video, we study the strain. In this lecture, the topic is strain. Simply, strain is the ratio of change in dimension to the original dimension. Here we can write strain. Strain in NCERT book denoted by sigma. Epsilon. Change in dimension to the original dimension is equal to the strain. Strain is equal to the change in dimension to the original dimension. Strain is three type. There are three type of strain depending on different type of applied force, and strain is three type. Here first, longitudinal strain or normal strain. Longitudinal strain also known as normal strain. Longitudinal strain known as because in this system, if we apply normal force, the angle between area and force is 90 degree. So we call normal force, and the length increases if we apply normal force. So we call longitudinal strain or normal strain. Both we know. Here applied a force F, the length, original length L, and change in length delta L. So longitudinal strain is equal to longitudinal strain is equal to change in dimension to the original dimension. Here change in dimension is delta L and original dimension is small l. So it is the formula of longitudinal strain or normal strain. Clear? And second, volume strain. Why we call volume strain? Because here in this system, volume is decreases. Volume is decreases if we apply normal force in every point. Here we know strain is equal to the change in dimension to original dimension. Okay. Here volume strain is equal to change in dimension. Here change in dimension delta V, because the original value is V, and if we apply normal force each every point, then change its volume. Volume is decreases, then we apply negative sign delta V, because volume of this system is decreases. Here we substitute ball, any spherical shape, and volume is V. Volume strain is equal to the negative del V by V. Okay. First is clear, second is clear, and here shearing strain. Third is shearing strain. Here if we apply a tangential force of the upper surface of cube like this. If we know a cube, if we imagine F, here is this surface. So we apply a tangential force. Here the displacement is theta, and original length of in these two faces. Here in these two faces smaller, and change in dimension is delta L. So shearing strain is equal to the, or also we know in that form, tan theta equal to the delta L by small l. If angle is very less, then we also know theta equal to delta L by L. Here it is shearing strain. So clear? Strain change in dimension to the original dimension. Strain is three type. due to application of different type of force. Here we apply normal force, so called normal strain or longitudinal strain, because the length of this system is increases, so longitudinal strain changing delta L to the small. Here volume strain we call because the volume of this system is changed, and shearing strain we apply the tangential force. It is also known as tangential strain. Tangential strain. So clear? And the unit of strain is unitless, because here we see if we apply the length here, if we measure length in meter and also original length in measuring meter, so the unit of longitudinal strain, volume strain, tangential strain, it has no unit, so it is dimensionless, unitless. And next topic is Hooke's law. It is the very important topic for the competitive examination. So according to Hooke's law, stress, according to Hooke's law, according to Hooke's law, is within the elastic limit, stress is proportional to strain. That is, stress is proportional to strain. Strain, here we choose a constant. Stress constant equal to constant, choose E, known as modulus of elasticity and strain. So E equal to stress divided by strain. And E is the characteristic of material. E is known as modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity. And the unit of E is, we can find SI unit. Stress is force upon area, and strain is changing, it has no unit. So unit of modulus of elasticity is equal to the unit of stress. So we know that unit of stress is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Pascal is the unit of pressure. Clear? And looks like very important, within elastic limit, stress is proportional to strain. Within elastic limit, we clear? It means suppose a spring, if we apply a force, the length of this spring increases. So if we apply additional weight, then it lose their property of elasticity, so fails the elastic limit. Then within elastic limit, stress is proportional to strain. So and dimension of modulus of elasticity is, we know that dimension of force is M L T power minus 2, and unit of area is L square. So dimension of modulus of elasticity is M L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. So modulus of elasticity is 3 type due to depending on 3 type of application of force. You know, modulus of elasticity is 3 type. First is Young modulus in longitudinal stress and strain, and second is bulk modulus, and third is modulus of rigidity. You in first, you know, if we increase in length, you know longitudinal stress and longitudinal strain. If change in volume, you find volume stress and volume strain. And next, third is modulus of rigidity. If you apply tangential force, you get shear stress and shear strain. So in first, Young modulus is the ratio of longitudinal stress to the longitudinal strain. Here longitudinal stress is, you know, stress is force upon area. Here force is F and area is, cross sectional area is small a या capital A. And longitudinal strain, you know, strain is equal to the change in dimension to the original dimension. Here change in dimension is delta L and original dimension is L, divided by change in dimension delta L and original dimension L, and simplify, you get delta L, and Young modulus is equal to the F delta L upon AL. This is the formula of Young modulus. And bulk modulus is the volume stress and volume strain, and third is modulus of rigidity. Here shear stress is equal to the force upon area, and shear strain is equal to the delta L upon L. So modulus of rigidity denoted by eta. So eta equal to F upon A delta L upon L. In next video, we send question basis on this and provided by previous video.